In this guide, I'm going to explain about the Lidl employee dress code. Let's get started. Understanding Lidl's employee dress code is important before you begin work or attend your first day of training. While the exact requirements may vary slightly by country and job title, Lidl generally provides employees with a company uniform for customer-facing positions. This may include branded t-shirts, jackets, or high visibility clothing for warehouse and distribution roles. They are typically expected to wear the Lidl uniform during working hours and keep it clean, tidy, and in good condition. Depending on your role, you may be required to wear comfortable, closed-toe, non-slip shoes that are suitable for standing and walking for extended periods. In warehouse or distribution centers, additional safety equipment such as safety shoes or a high visibility vest may be required and may be provided by Lidl. Personal appearance should be neat and professional. Employees are generally expected to maintain good hygiene and ensure the clothing is appropriate for the workplaces. Some locations may have additional guidelines regarding jewelry, hairstyles, tattoos, or accessories, particularly if they could affect safety or food handling standards. If you're unsure about the dress code for a specific role, review any onboarding materials you receive after accepting your job offer or ask your store manager or hiring manager before your first shift. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.